how much should you actually spend on struts for your Honda Accord? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Detroit Axle 2.4L Strut Kit. Let's kick things off with the Detroit Axle 2.4L Strut Sway Bars for 2013-2017 Honda Accord. Priced at about $314.70, this kit caught my attention because of its complete setup. You get everything you need in one package. If you want a comprehensive solution for your Accord suspension, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The complete assembly means you won't have to hunt down additional parts, saving you time and hassle. The struts are designed to withstand impact and wear, which is critical for maintaining your vehicle's ride quality and handling. With a solid 4.2-star rating from over 3,000 reviews, many users have praised its durability and ease of installation. You can feel confident knowing that it has been rigorously tested to ensure it lasts. Now, some people complained about the weight. It's around 25 pounds, which can make handling a bit tricky during installation. Here's the thing though, if you have someone to help you, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. Plus, the end result is a smoother ride, and that's what really matters. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a full suspension upgrade and want the peace of mind that comes with a 10-year warranty. Skip this one if you're only looking for a single strut replacement, as it's a complete kit. Now, if the price of the Detroit Axle kit concerned you, the next one might ease your budget worries. Product number 2, Detroit Axle 2.4L Strut Kit for $812. Next up is another Detroit Axle offering, the 2.4L struts for the 2008-2012 Honda Accord Sedan and Coupe. At about $297.63, it's slightly cheaper and has a great 4.4-star rating from 1,600 reviews. If you want reliable struts without breaking the bank, this is a solid option. The installation is straightforward, no special tools required. This matters because if you're not a mechanic, you don't want anything overly complicated. Plus, its durability is backed by rigorous testing. You'll appreciate how it improves handling and stability without sacrificing comfort. Some users noted that the ride can feel a bit stiff initially, which might not suit everyone's taste. This is perfect for you if you're after an affordable upgrade that doesn't compromise quality. Skip this if you prefer a softer ride, as this may not deliver that plush feel. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who are newer models. Product number 3, Detroit Axle 1.5L Strut Kit for $1822. Now let's talk about the Detroit Axle 1.5L 8PC Struts Kit for the 2018-2022 Honda Accord, priced at $268.12. This one grabbed my attention with its comprehensive suspension kit that promises a smooth ride for your newer Accord models. If you want a complete upgrade without overspending, this is definitely worth considering. The kit comes with 2 front struts with coil springs, 2 rear shock absorbers, and 4 sway bar end links. This means you're getting a full package that enhances performance and stability. The fact that it's made for newer models is a plus, as it's tailored to fit perfectly. With a 4.2-star rating and 2,800 reviews, it's clear that many have found this kit reliable and effective. However, some users reported that the installation instructions could be a bit vague. Here's the thing though, if you watch a few tutorial videos, you can definitely figure it out. Once installed, the improved handling and comfort are well worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you own a newer Accord and want to enhance its handling. Skip this if you're looking for a budget single strut option, as this kit is all about a full suspension upgrade. If the installation complexity is a concern, the next product is definitely more straightforward. Product number 4, Detroit Axle 4 PC Strut Kit for $307. Next, we have the Detroit Axle 4 PC struts for the 2003-2007 Honda Accord, priced at $253.35. What intrigued me about this kit is its focus on older models, making it a practical choice if you're maintaining an older Accord. If you want reliable performance at a great price, this is definitely a contender. The 4.2-star rating from 1,000 reviews shows that many find it effective and easy to install. The testing for impact and wear guarantees that you're getting quality components that can stand the test of time, which is essential for an older vehicle. Now, some users mention that the ride can be a bit bouncy. Here's my take. While that's true, it's often a trade-off for improved handling, especially if your old struts were worn out. So if you're coming from a heavily worn suspension, this will feel like a huge improvement. This is perfect for you if you want an economical option to rejuvenate your older Honda Accord. Skip this if you prefer a more cushioned ride right out of the box, as this may take a bit of adjustment to get used to. Now, if you're looking for something even easier to install, the last product has you covered. Product number 5, Detroit Axle 2 Front Struts for $1822. Finally, we have the Detroit Axle 2 Front Struts for the 2018-2022 Honda Accord, priced at $196.38. This option is appealing if you're just looking to replace the front struts without going for a full kit. If you want an easy solution for front-end issues, this is worth your attention. If you're not a car expert, this is a great choice because it eliminates the complexities of a full kit. The 4.2-star rating from 945 reviews suggests that many have found them effective in improving ride quality and stability. One drawback is that this doesn't include rear struts, which some might find inconvenient. But here's the thing. If your focus is just on the front end, this is a smart pick, and you can always address the rear later. This is perfect for you if you only need to replace the front struts and want something easy to install. Skip this if you need a complete suspension overhaul, as this won't cover that need. With that said, you get a good balance of quality and value with this option. So to wrap it up, we covered 5 great strut options for your Honda Accord. The comprehensive Detroit axle kits for various models, offering solid performance while also noting some trade-offs. Whether you need a complete overhaul or just a front replacement, there's something here for everyone. Make sure to pick the one that best fits your needs.